Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Site Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to go and show you how to connect a wireless Bluetooth speaker to your PlayStation 5. So to do this, let's go up to Settings, and then select this, and then go on down to where it says Accessories. Then go to General, and go to Bluetooth Accessories. Now scroll on down to the bottom until we get to Accessories Found. Now we want to place our wireless speaker into the Bluetooth pairing mode. Alright, so I have a soundbar right here. I'm going to simply turn this on. Now I'm going to go through the different sources, so I'm going to have to press the F key. So you can see the F key on the top right here. And I'm going to go to where it says Bluetooth or BT. So scroll through this menu until you get to BT. And it may be a little bit different on your speaker. So it says BT ready, Bluetooth is ready. Let's go back over to my PlayStation 5. Okay, now under Accessories Found, our Bluetooth speaker should be appearing. So here's my Samsung soundbar. Let's select this with X. And it says, please wait. Do you want to register this Bluetooth accessory? Okay, let's go to yes. Now, the PlayStation 5 doesn't support Bluetooth audio accessory. Now, to get around this, we actually have to connect our soundbar directly to our monitor or our TV for the output. So our PlayStation 5 is running to our TV. Now we can use Bluetooth, or we can use a auxiliary cable just like this to get the audio. So this will plug into the back of my monitor or my TV in the headphone slots, and then I can plug this into my soundbar or my wireless speaker. So here is the headphone jack on the back of my monitor. I can just simply plug this into here and then plug the other end into my wireless speaker. Now you'll have to turn this around, and on my Samsung soundbar, right here is the audio jack right here. I just have to plug this in. Then I want to go to a specific source on here, so I might have to go to like auxiliary in or DIN. Now on the back of my Fire TV, here's the headphone jack we can plug it into. Now your TV probably has the ability to connect a wireless speaker regardless if your PlayStation 5 doesn't. So you could go through the Bluetooth settings through your TV and set this up. So I just have a Fire TV. So I can go on over to controllers and Bluetooth devices, and then I can go to other Bluetooth devices, and I can see my soundbar is listed under here. So I can press this and connect. Just make sure it's in the Bluetooth pairing mode, and you can see my device is connected. So you can completely bypass the PlayStation 5 since it doesn't support wireless connections, either with Bluetooth or with an auxiliary cable. Now I'm just going to be getting the audio through here, and I can go back on over to my sources, and I can switch on over to my PlayStation 5. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech up videos coming up next on Your Site Studios.